Welcome to the top 5 auto advice. Identifying and fixing rod bearing knock sounds in your vehicle. A rod bearing knock sound is a deep pounding noise that comes from the engine. It's a sign of a serious problem that requires immediate repair. Rod bearing knock is caused by wear and tear on the connecting rod bearings, often due to lack of lubrication or poor maintenance. Metallic knocking noise from the engine. Louder knocking sounds as the engine accelerates. Decreased engine performance and fuel efficiency. To fix rod bearing knock sounds, you need to diagnose the problem, disassemble the engine, replace the bearings, and reassemble the engine. Regular oil changes, avoiding over-revving, and using high-quality oil and filters can prevent rod bearing knock sounds and prolong engine life. Thank you for considering my suggestions to fix the rod bearing knock sounds. Good luck with your repairs. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.